A very good evening to you and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Flow says it is considering including streaming services such as Netflix, Hulu and Amazon Prime as part of packages to consumers. The new boss of the telecoms provider, Stephen Price, made the disclosure but did not give a timeline on when the services will be included. He said Flow's parent company, Liberty Global, has been embracing the streaming services and it will be following suit.
Right. So the first methodology that we've used and have embarked on, and hasn't reached here to Jamaica as yet, is the fact that Liberty Global now in 2 or 3 countries in Europe now, Netflix is now an embedded part of our product or service through the boxes. So you're embracing the disruption in that methodology and also providing a platform where, for instance, live events and live are able to be delivered by a product as such.
Mr. Price, who was speaking to a Young Entrepreneurs Association meeting recently, said part of the strategy of staying relevant will also include more live programs delivered through Flow. In the meantime, Cable and Wireless reported losses in the 3 months to the end of March were down significantly from a year ago. The company said its losses at the end of March amounted to $533 million. In the corresponding period last year, it was $1.8 billion. Cable and Wireless reported that the reduced losses came on the back of strong mobile revenue growth as consumers continue to migrate from fixed to mobile voice and data services. And JPS has reported that its profit for the 3 months at the end of March was $5.7 million US. That was down 7% from a year ago as it recorded higher operational expenses in the period. And the Jamaica Public Service Company is now searching for a new boss to replace the departing Kelly Tomlin. Ms. Tomlin, who has been at the helm of the Light and Power Company since April 2012, will depart the post in early July. The company, however, said it is hoping to select a new CEO by early next month to work with Ms. Tomlin in ensuring a smooth transition. During her 5 years in charge, Ms. Tomlin repositioned the JPS to adapt to a changing energy landscape. She will be moving to take up the post of CEO of Intren, a utility service provider in Illinois, USA. Statin says inflation in April was measured at 0.3%. This as price increases in the month, which were influenced by higher tax on fuel, cigarettes and alcohol, were tempered by a fall in the price of electricity. Despite that, Statin says the 12-month inflation for the period up to the end of April was 4.8%. That is up from 4.3% in March. Let's look at currency trading, which ended today with the US dollar being sold for $130.08. The Canadian dollar sells for $95.50. The pound sterling is going for $166.71, while the euro costs $144.40, up $1.84 in trading today. The price of oil jumped to a 3-week high on Monday after Russia and Saudi Arabia agreed to extend a cut in production to boost prices. At the end of the day, oil for delivery in June was selling for $48.85 a barrel. That was up $1.07 or more than 2%. And the main market turned higher today, gaining 194 points, while the junior market gained 71. Among the winners today were 1834 Investments, Diamond Trading, ISP Finance, the JMB Group, the NCB Financial Group, the Sagicor Group, and T-Tech. On the losing end were 138 Student Living, Cargo Handlers, Jamaican Teas, Proven Investments, Radio Jamaica, and Sweet River Abattoir and Supplies. That's your business day for this Monday. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Have a great evening.